All right, today we are going to cook some salmon fillets on the new TrueFlame griddle, and we've marinated it in a hot honey mustard marinade. So it's basically hot honey, a little bit of soy sauce, and some other herbs and spices and stuff, and some lots of garlic because we love garlic. The thing about the griddle is it's going to be pretty hot, so you want to use an oil when you're cooking on the griddle that is good for high heat. Avocado oil is great up to 500 degrees, so it's a great one for a griddle top. You could use a pecan oil is good as well, or canola oil will work too. The thing you maybe want to be cautious with is olive oil can burn. It's got a lower flash point, so just try that out. You can cook a whole meal at one time on it. So we've got some potatoes over here. We're gonna get them brown on one side and we'll flip them. We'll flip the salmon right towards the very end because we want the skin side down to get the most heat because it helps protect it. And then we've got some onions, and then we'll also add some broccoli here just at the last minute because that takes the least amount of time.